floating away. And yeah, it's gorgeous. So we're heading back in, where we went all the way to the bird sanctuary, and now we're just floating back. We went upstream and the wind was against us, and now we're just coasting back. The current's taking us. Just getting ready to go underneath the Ray Gibbons bridge here. And construction crew's working today. It's Sunday, but they're working on twinning the Ray Gibbons extension, which goes up to St. Albert. Basically bypasses all the red lights. So yeah, been a good day. Been a really good day. Yeah, you were so right. That current and the wind, like, what an easy paddle back. And we struggled all the way over to the bird sanctuary. And now we're cruising.
I'm doing half paddle. I'm just kind of...
Me too. Me too. I will say I am pleased with the kayak. Yeah. Like, it doesn't drag too much. It does handle like a stone, but it tracks well.
I think they all sit on top of all of them.
Yeah, it tracks well and it glides. I like the way it glides.
Mine, I don't have all my weight in the back. My front end's down compared to what it usually is.
Yeah, you look pretty flush though. Huh? Like, your front is down as much as your back.
Maybe just from here.
Like, you're saying your back has weight and you feel like it's not planing properly, right? Yeah.
Because I got my anchor in here.
Yeah.
It should be in the back.
Yeah.
I took all my stuff out.
Okay. The camera work though. Look at how bright their kayaks are. You're not gonna fall out. I think they are. Just a gorgeous day. Yeah. Yeah, we should. I know, and then think of paddling back if the current's the other way. People do it, eh? I've seen them. Yeah. 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 Okay, so where do you want to go in? I'm not sure if they're going out or if they're coming in. Oh, okay. Well, look at that canoe there. It's like a resin canoe. See the canoe there? The resin canoe? That's neat too. So what do you figure, go right in behind the red one there?